Welcome to Grandma's Alice's Kitchen. Today I'm teaching you how to make egg roll stuffed with fish. These are the ingredients. These are the fish paste which I have taken it out from, scraped it out from the mackerel fish. And egg for the stuffing. Now I have to go and fry the egg, and later I have to stuff it with the fish. First, you want to beat 6 eggs into a bowl. This can make 8 egg rolls. Pour some oil in. Pour the egg into this nice roti canai shape. Once you think it's ready to be flipped, then don't be afraid to flip it. Keep repeating until you get 8 nice egg wraps. Now I'm just stuffing my mackerel fish paste into the wrap. Spread it out evenly. I have scraped the fish using a knife and seasoned the fish paste with some salt and water for added flavor. You can look up some YouTube videos on how to make fish paste. If you are unsure, I will link them in the description box below. Now roll them up like this. Use some fish paste to glue the ends together. Now it's time to steam. Stack up your rolls on a plate. I like to use my bamboo steamer you see in the dim sum restaurants. Ha ha ha. I've already boiled some water in a pot for the steaming process. Now I just have to place the rolls above the hot water and let the magic happen. After 10 minutes, your rolls should be ready. Voila! Look at how weird my dog sits. And there you have it, healthy egg stuffed with fish wraps that will keep your family wanting more. I personally think it goes so well with a little bit of Thai chili sauce on the side. Now let's try it. Oh yeah. You can either eat this steamed or fried. Stay safe and stay positive. See what it is.
Oh! Oh no!
That's all ว่าขอลูกเอาเลยไป